Alright, welcome back to another shed blog brought to you by Fielders. Whole heap of work has gone on over the last couple of months, which has been great, and we haven't had any rain, which has been lucky because otherwise we've been stuffed. We actually had a little bit of rain. We are good, we have a roof on, we have walls on, we might even have roller doors on, but I'm super pumped. I actually had a week off from footy. I was supposed to have a rest week and then ended up lifting sheets the whole 4 days that I was off. So we have a huge progress update. After this video, you will start to see what is going to happen inside the shed. Go and check it out, it's pretty good. I'm loving it. And I thought it was going to be a little bit more bluer than what it is. It's called Bluegum, the colour from Fielders. They wanted to run with this colour because no one's got a shed in Australia with it. Well, not that I know of anyway, but that's what they told me. That was a while ago, but hey, who knows? Go check it out. I love it. It's coming along really well and I'm really excited. But yeah, go check it out.
Look like you're doing something, Aldo.
Oh. It's pretty good at getting level.
Hi.
Hi.
Well done.
I'm not quite there yet, but hey, near enough, close enough. Not quite long enough. Today, that looks like it's going downhill, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Downhill, eh? How good's that? Perfect. All right, Otis. Homeboy over here is in time out because he wouldn't f*** off. All right, guys, welcome back. Another day, and we are back at the shed, and it is at lockup stage. So all the work that you've seen, we are here right now. Obviously got roller doors on, gutters on. There's still a bit of screwing off to go. We've obviously had a fair bit of rain over the last week or so a bit of stuff has sort of stopped. This time next week, hopefully we'll be stuck into the concrete. I had to dig a trench behind the wall here. Nice crisp morning here. Try and get away from all the mud. That's really sticky. Put that in literally a couple of weeks ago, or a week or so ago, because we had a heap of rain coming last week. Hey, get out of the mud, you two. So we had to sort that and get some actual plumbing sorted. So we didn't have a heap of mud around there, but it ended up being that way anyway. I'm not walking down the bottom down there because there's a lot of mud and clay stuff. We got Loretta down there warming up, hopefully defrosting the window. But yeah, so that's a drain there that we put in. Got a little machine to help us dig that, which was good. Bit of pipe left over. But all in all, I'm pretty pumped with where we're at. I've actually got the floor polished and it's sealed and the flap on it as well. But I'm going to show you a little bit of that, but there'll be more coming. Let's have a quick look in here. So I'll try not to show the floor as much because I want to do a big video on that and big reveal. And we are at lockup stage, guys. From that video, as you can see, very strong on the nose in here, but man, I'm so pumped with how it looked. So mezzanine and get out of the mud, you dickhead. Electrical's getting dug tomorrow as well, I think, because Luke's coming, the concreter is coming, and he's sorting out the pad for the concrete out here, which I'm excited about. So we're going to be connecting from that power pole to that corner of the shed there, so which is amazing. So we'll have power to the shed soon, ready to roll from there, but it is all happening. So I went to Harvey Norman yesterday and bought all the kitchen stuff and washing machine and fridge and all that garbage. So got all that sorted, so they'll be here in August. Imo will come up on the weekend and we can measure up frames and whatnot, and then he can get some stuff delivered and we can get stuck into it on the inside. But we're pretty well done here on the outside. Once the apron slab is done, it's going to look so much better, and we'll do another video. But for now, that's our Fielder's Shed update, and we'll be back into it very, very soon. I should have a heap of other footage there as well from the floor process from that. So that'll be great. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.